Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on your LinkedIn app. The process is really easy. I'll get straight to the point. So first of all, open LinkedIn on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. As you can see on the screen, this is the homepage of LinkedIn. Now from the homepage, you'll have to go to settings. So for that, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. When you do that, you'll see this kind of menu, and here you can see the option settings at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it. Now let it load, wait for a few seconds. As you can see on the screen, we have been directed to the settings page. Here you'll have to choose the first option, that is account preferences. On this page, under the second category display, you can see the option dark mode. Go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see on the screen, there are three different options: device settings, dark mode and light mode. Now let's select dark mode. And as you can see on the screen, dark mode has been successfully enabled on the app. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.